Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I am Gus.
And I am Andrea.
In this video we will guide you through the basic of Bybit and show you how to deposit, trade and withdraw from the platform. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Firstly, let's start to introduce you Bybit.
Bybit is a global cryptocurrency exchange that launched in 2018 and has over 6 million registered users, making it one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Users can buy, sell and trade popular coins on their spot and derivatives platforms.
If you are a beginner in the world of crypto exchange, you can buy cryptocurrency directly from their site using a credit card, bank wire or peer-to-peer. Experienced trader can trade cryptocurrency with up to 100 times leverage on perpetual future products, options and leverage tokens.
You can even earn passive income through their own program, which offers a variety of income products depending on your level of risks. Bybit is available on desktop and mobile through the Google Play and App Store, but for this tutorial we'll be showing you on the web version.
Let's get started with the walkthrough. If you are new to Bybit, check out the link in the video description down below. If you sign up with it, you can earn up to $1,050 by completing some simple task and referring friends and family.
To sign up for an account, you'll need to provide your email address or mobile number, create a secure password and agree to terms and conditions. You can also enter a promo or referral code. Once you've signed up, you reach the home screen and before depositing any funds, we recommend securing your account.
Under your profile icon, in the top right, choose Account and Security. And under Two-Factor Authentication, configure SMS authentication or use Google Authenticator, which provides a one-time code for actions such as logging in and withdrawals.
To be able to use Bybit, you only need to provide your basic information for KYC verification. However, upgrading to level 1 by providing your photo ID and selfie will give you more benefits. For higher limits, upgrading to a level 2 and providing a proof of residence is necessary.
After securing your account, you can start depositing funds by heading to the Asset section in the top right corner and selecting Asset Overview. Assets are divided into spot, derivatives, funding, USDC derivatives, and earn.
In this beginner-friendly guide, we will focus on spot trading and briefly discuss how to earn passive income through Bybit. To deposit funds, select Deposit from the top of the screen, choose a cryptocurrency from the list and follow the instructions.
Note that Bybit does not support fiat currency deposits, as it is a primary crypto-to-crypto exchange. However, if you don't have any crypto, you can buy USDT or USDC directly from Bybit using a credit or debit card at zero fees. Simply go to Buy Crypto and choose one-click buy. Enter the amount you want to spend in your chosen fiat currency and it will display the amount you will receive in your chosen cryptocurrency, which could be USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDC.
Buying cryptocurrency can be confusing, especially when it comes to selecting a payment method. If you're paying with dollars or British pounds, you'll have several options to choose from, such as credit card, bank transfers and Google Pay, among others. But keep in mind that these may not be the most cost-effective way to buy your crypto, since third-party providers dictate the rates and credit card fees are often higher.
This option is great for those who don't have any crypto to deposit, but if you do, depositing crypto is the cheapest way to trade. In this video we'll show you how to deposit your crypto by heading to the Asset and Spot section, selecting the correct chain type and acknowledging that your deposit will go directly into your spot account.
We'll also emphasize the importance of selecting the correct network, since transactions in the world of crypto are not retractable. Finally, we will show you how to copy or scan the address and QR code to send your funds. So join us as we guide you through the process of buying and trading cryptocurrency.
To make sure you don't risk losing your funds, it's important to copy the address accurately when sending your crypto. If you are feeling a bit nervous, it's always a good idea to send a smaller test amount first, before sending a larger amount.
Now that we have some USDT in our account, which is a stable coin pair pegged to US dollar, let's take a closer look on how to trade it for Bitcoin. We'll head over the market section and select the spot tab to view all available trading pairs. But keep in mind that sometimes there may not be a direct trade, so you need to swap from one crypto to another first before trading to the one you want.
Once we have selected the trading pair you want, you'll be taken to the trade screen. Don't worry if it looks like doubting at first, with all the flashing light and graph. Let's take a look around the screen before making any trades. In the top left, you'll see the market or trading pair, which represent the two coins you are swapping from and to.
You can click on each coin to find out more information about it. There's also information on the price, its USDT equivalent, 24-hour change, high, low, turnover and volume.
Here you can find the chart section, an order book with potentially buy orders in green and sell orders in red. On the right hand side you'll find the section for placing buy and sell orders. But before we do that, let's take a look at the order book with potential sell orders in red and buy orders in green.
At the bottom of the screen, there's the order section, which we'll come back to it shortly. To place a trade order, you need to either be selling or buying. But first, let's take a closer look at the order section and how to use it to place your trade.
For this tutorial, we want to buy Bitcoin using our existing USDT on Bybit. When placing an order, Bybit offers three different types of order: market, limit or conditional. With market order, your order will be placed immediately at the best available market price. A limit order allows you to set a specific price to buy or sell at and wait for the market to reach the price.
Meanwhile, conditional orders let you place an order after the market reaches a specific value, which can help minimize losses. Regardless the order type, you'll be paying a fee of 0.1 if you're trading less than 250,000, which is quite affordable compared to other leading exchanges.
As your trading volume increases, you pay fewer fees over time, and limit orders that don't immediately match the order book will incur lower fee as well. To place a market order, enter the amount you want to buy, and your order will be immediately executed.
If you prefer a limit order, enter the price you want to buy at, which is usually lower than the current market price, and the amount you want to buy. Your order will appear under the current order section, and you can cancel it while it is still open and unfilled. Once your order is complete, your newly purchased crypto will be available in your spot wallet.
In this example, we are going to adjust our buy price a little closer to the current market price, which is still cheaper than the current market price. Once the market reaches your price and your order is filled, it will appear in your trade history with all the other information, and your newly purchased Bitcoin will appear in your spot account.
Selling your crypto works the same way, only in reverse. You can choose to sell above the current market price or place a market order for immediate sales. What you do with your crypto is completely up to you. You can swap it for another crypto or earn interest on it with Bybit Earn, which offers various interest rates depending on your risk level.
If you want to withdraw your crypto to a hardware wallet, choose Asset, then Spot, and then Withdraw. From here you can select the crypto you want to withdraw and choose the correct chain for the wallet or lending platform you are sending to.
Next, add the withdrawal address to a whitelist, enter the address information, and enter your two-factor authentication code to prove it's you. Once you've added the address, select it from the list, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and pay the transaction fee associated with the withdrawal.
So guys, this is it for this video. We have learned how to sign up on Bybit and make your first trade. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you did, let us know by leaving a like and subscribe to our channel, activating the notification bell for new contents and updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.